Hi, my name is Lama Mansour. I'm co-founder of Soteri Skin, and I'm here to talk to you about freedom. Freedom from the daily torment of eczema, the uncontrollable itching, the dryness, the persistent flare-ups. These symptoms don't just affect skin. They take over your life. They disrupt daily lives. They rob people of their freedom, of their peace, of their joy. And we have a solution to help people break free from the grip of eczema, to live comfortable and confident lives. It all started with Dr. Rafal's wife, Samantha, who suffered terribly from eczema for years of her life. Persistent itching, sleepless nights. She went to see many dermatologists, but nothing worked, and the symptoms kept on coming back and getting worse. Rafal, a PhD in biomedical sciences, dug into the research, and he discovered that there was a direct link between elevated and imbalanced skin pH and eczema, and developed a solution that resolved it. And within 4 weeks, Samantha was eczema-free. There are 37.5 million Americans living with eczema, 1 in 4 adults, 1 in 3 children, and 1 in 3 babies under the age of 3. That's 11% of the population. So this is a huge addressable market. We are filling an unmet need because current treatments fall short. Over-the-counter skincare products don't resolve for eczema because they don't resolve for inflammation. They soothe and they pacify, but the symptoms always come back. Steroids thin your skin so the eczema comes back even more aggressively. Immunomodulating topicals and biologics are prescriptions. They're not accessible to everyone, and they come with side effects. And in addition to that, they work on your immune system, not your skin, and so they don't actually resolve the root cause of eczema, which is a leaky skin barrier. Soteri Skin is the only non-steroidal, non-prescription, over-the-counter eczema topical that provides both short-term and long-lasting relief from eczema and addresses the root cause, which is a leaky skin barrier. So how do we do that? It's with our patented pH lock complex. We bring the skin pH down from the elevated level to the correct level, which is 4.7, and we lock it. And the reason that's important is because when the pH is balanced, it balances the skin microbiome, which breaks the cycle of inflammation. And in the long term, it restores the barrier and strengthens it against future triggers. In a clinical trial, 60% of our eczema patients saw complete symptom relief. We are building a scalable and diversified business. In 2025, we are strengthening our direct-to-consumer. We are expanding into international markets. We are also advancing a licensing deal, and we are laying the foundation to launch into US retail by 2027. We are experiencing strong growth, 53% month-on-month, 50% repeat rate. We have a granted patent and IRB approval. We are on track to build Soteri Skin into a $121 million company by 2031 to compete in a $19.2 billion over-the-counter market. We have raised $2.3 million to date. We are an experienced team. My co-founder, Dr. Rafal Palak, is a PhD in biomedical sciences with decades of experience in product development in both biotech and skincare. I graduated from HBS in 2006 and have decades of experience in go-to-market and marketing. And the Soteri Skin advantage cannot be duplicated. Our sophisticated pH lock technology takes years to optimize and to clinically validate. And if you get it wrong, pH buffers can be very irritating for the skin. And when we are years ahead of our competitors, and if they come close, we have protected our technology with patents and trademarks. Please join me in spreading relief. We have an exclusive promo code for this special event, Harvard World Cup 30. Our website is soteriskin.com.
Outstanding. Very good. Good timing.